Alright, good day. I'll be making a quick snack of pineapple with some tapatio hot sauce, water-based, no vinegar, tanjin, it's a classic seasoning for fruits, and then just a little bit of salt and a drizzle of lime. So we got our pineapple from before, from the Hawaiian breakfast I made the other day. Got plenty of it, so I can definitely enjoy this. Just gonna cut two slices. There should be plenty for a snack anyways. So, cut off the skin. Okay, looks good. Cut it to squares. So. Lime. That should be enough. So now we're going to put some tapatio hot sauce. Some tanjin. Seasoning. You don't need tanjin, but it tastes pretty good with it too. Okay. Drizzle some lime. And a little bit of salt. Okay. Get some chopsticks or fork, whichever. And that's that. That's a nice little snack. Sweet, a little bit salty, a little bit spicy. It's delicious. So, bon appetit. Yummy-licious.